So, Jared, you wanted to know why I love Country Club Houston and why I think it's an absolute fabulous investment for anyone that wants to be an LP. I would say number one, it's a very low risk deal. We're only leveraged at 65% LTC, loan to cost. Our kind of our all-in price. So if we have a downturn in the market, we're well positioned to hang on even if it were an extended downturn because of the low leverage. You hear oftentimes the deals that go into bankruptcy are the ones that are leveraged very highly. And so that definitely does not describe us. The other thing is that it cash flows day one. Our first year cash flow, even though we are projecting close to 30% economic vacancy because we're going to be doing a major rehab on the property and spending a lot of capex dollars, it still cash flows in year one. So I think that's a very great upside for potential investors. I also love that we put the investors first. We're offering a 12 pref, which is unheard of in this market. We're also not taking an acquisition fee until we've returned at least 65% of the investors' capital. So very investor friendly. I also love the fact that even though Houston is on fire right now, there's a lot of people that still have concerns about flooding because of the hurricane season in Houston. And we are on high ground. This property has never flooded. And even during the Texas power outages last year, this property never lost power. It never has lost power because it's on a protected power grid because our neighbor is a hospital and they are on a protected power grid. So that gives us several advantages for our residents, even in tough times. And also, I love the fact that the appraisal came back with built-in equity. It appraised at 12.8. We paid 12.2. Also, our appraisal included what we would commonly refer to as a stabilized value, or some people would refer to as an after repair value of 20,200,000, I think. I'm not looking at numbers. I'm doing this at midnight, just trying to get it out before I head to the conference down in Orlando. And our replacement cost is almost 30 million. So you can see that we're buying well below replacement cost, and that we've got a built-in ARV. So I love that about the appraisal. And last but not least, this is a rock solid team with the kind of experience you just don't find in the syndication deals. Most of the deals that we're seeing, the team has less than 5 years experience. This team has over 100 years collective experience. Kimra and I have both been in the industry for more than 40 years. Julie is only 22, so I can't say how long she's been in. Anyway, that's my short video. Thanks.